I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Here is a very beautiful question from our AP Calculus student. I have put this in challenge category. Well, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, getting admission to the best universities. The question here is, given the function f of x equals to 3 e to the power of 2x squared, for what value of x does the tangent line to the graph of f intersects the x-axis at the point half 0? So the point is not on the function, right? So you're not finding equation of tangent line at a given point. You are finding for what value of x does the tangent to the graph of f intersects the x-axis at half, right? So that's the question, right? How do we solve such a problem? Let's visualize it. Let's say e to the power of 2x squared even function. So on the right hand side, exponential functions are kind of like this, right? So it will look like kind of like this, steeper than normal, right? And even, so it will be like this, right? Tangent on the curve and going through half, right? So let's say this is the line. So this is point half, correct? What we need to do is figure out that point on the curve where it is tangent, right? Okay. Now, let's say this point is A and the y value will be FA, right? So that could be the point which we need to figure out. So I hope the situation is clear. So now let's see how do we find this. So we're given the function f of x, which is 3 e to the power of 2 x squared. So the derivative of this function is 3 e to the power of 2 x squared times the derivative of 2x squared, which is 4x. So I could rewrite this as 4 times 3, 12 x e to the power of 2x squared, correct? At the point A, the derivative will be what? 12x e to the power of 2. X will become A. So 12a e to the power of 2 a square. So that becomes the slope of tangent at A, right? Now, let's also see that slope of tangent m can also be written for a line as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, correct? Now, keeping that in mind, we can the second equation, which will be what? Which is going to be FA, which is, if I write FA, okay, minus 0 over A minus half, right? Correct. So FA basically is 3 E to A square, right? Over A minus half. Now this slope should be same as what we figured out, which is 12a e to the power of 2a square. Makes sense, right? Now we have an equation which can help us solve, right? So let's solve this equation. So we will now solve the equation 3 e to the power of 2a square equals to a minus half times 12 a e to the power of 2 a square. So e to the power of 2a square cancels. 3 also goes 4 times, correct? Okay. So we can now open this bracket and we get what? We get 1 equals to 4 times a square, because 4a is getting multiplied by the terms distributive property, right? So 2a, right? So that's the equation which we get, which is a quadratic equation. We can rearrange. So we get 4a square minus 2a, bringing 1 to this side, equals to 0. Now we can actually get 2 points. So it seems that there could be a tangent from that side also, which will pass through the x-intercept given to us at half. Now 4 and so we could actually now use, because now we are looking for product of minus 4 and sum of minus 2. So we need to use the quadratic formula. So that gives us a equals to minus b, which is 2, plus or minus b square, which is 4, minus 4ac. So minus minus becomes plus 16. Correct. Makes sense, right? So at this stage, you can easily do these calculations. 2a means we get a equals to 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 16, which is basically 2 plus minus 4 plus 16 is 20 over 8, right? 20 is 4 times 5. We can write this as 2 square root 5, right? Plus minus 2 square root 5 over 8. We can now cancel 2's. So we get a as equal to, so we get 1 plus minus square root 5 over 4, correct? So a has two values, 1 plus minus square root 5 over 4, right? So those are the 2 points. Let me rewrite the answer here. So the value of a will be 1 plus minus square root 5 over 4. So I hope you have understood these steps. Now these are very critical when you want to ensure that the tangent passes through another point which is not on the curve. That is how we should be solving the problems. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.